often people by citizen science, they mean like very top-down projects like we run at the Lab of Ornithology, where people just contribute data, their observations, and then scientists like me use it. But then a lot of times it's also used to describe like a very broad array of things like participatory sensing or community mapping or even the do-it-yourself science. Definitely anybody can contribute to some citizen science efforts. I would say, most citizen science, maybe most, a lot of it is built around hobbies. So it's, science is empirically based, so it's based on gathering observations. And a lot of hobbies are based on viewing nature or things in nature, whether it's birds or butterflies or plants or whatever. And, so a lot of times people have a lot of expertise in those areas, even though they're not trained in all aspects of science, but they might be really good, at observing things and making lists. And most protocols are really easy to follow. Well, I do like, I am a, advocate for citizen science, but I have seen it done, I guess you could say poorly sometimes. And that, when there's certain projects that don't do it well, it can sort of set the field back. And it's tough to do well because it can be very interdisciplinary. I'm hoping in general that the citizen science efforts help bring science sort of into the mainstream, where it's not just what happens behind closed doors, but that it's something that happens in everybody's lives. Sort of, not that it is their life, it's not everything, but it just has a role to play, and that people have more access to it, to the kind of knowledge they can gain through scientific methods.